couple videos ago I showed you how everything can be customized. In this video we're gonna add one more thing, and that is white halos by Profile Performance. I have two different sizes, so this is 90 and this is 80. I feel like the 80 is a little small. The 90 looks a lot more better. We're gonna pretty much have it mounted just like this. It's gonna be a hole drilled on the bottom right here. It's gonna like come flying out. We're gonna use a Dremel. Something down here. You see there's a hole created. On this side, you can't even tell there's a hole. See, that hole's gonna be like completely covered up. So I'm gonna keep going at this and I'll be right back. After some drilling, it's gonna look like this. I put tape just in case I drill a little too much. Now what you wanna do with the halo part is you have a connector like this, right? We're just gonna put this down in there, out here, and you just... I don't know why it's being so difficult. So you're gonna have it mounted just like this. You wanna use your little points over here. Just put like a fish line. We'll attach it later. So we're just gonna go ahead and dechrome this. So I'm gonna try a different method to dechrome this. The other video I kinda just sanded it down and painted it over on top of the chrome. So these guys, we're gonna use something called the Purple Industrial Grease Cleaner. You guys seen this in my other videos, so all I do is just pretty much dump that in there. So sick. You don't even have to paint it black. You can just dump it in, like the chrome stuff, and it'll turn black automatically, assuming it's black to begin with. Because you know what they say, black don't crack. Alright, let me show you something cool. Damn, no paint job required. All blacked out. How beautiful is that? That's so crazy right now. Alright, put some soap on that. Now you just wanna rinse it off. And when you dry it, make sure you use a microfiber cloth. We're gonna take some of that industrial cleaner and we're just gonna wipe it down. And if you see, what? Chrome is faded and it's black underneath? Yo, what? What? Yeah, so you just wanna keep on like wiping down. I kinda went ahead and started the second one. Once you get them dried off, ooh, snap. So far, so good. Yes, yes. Next, we gotta get this guy. This guy, you take the degreaser and the cloth. See that? Okay. Alright, getting there. Once you have that sanded down, you wanna use your alcohol, wipe down the area. Everything's masked off. Get your hazmat suit, get your high temperature paint. Yes. Nicely blacked out. Looks like a satin finish going on over here. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Then we also have our reflectors over here. And voila, that's your blackout interior housing. To install the halo, we're gonna take a piece of steel wire. See how it's just wrapped around it? There you go. Yeah, so once that's on like this, it comes out right on top. Once you get that in there, and on the back, we have zip tied, this isn't going anywhere. Halo's on, shroud's on. We got this connecting to the back side of the halo. And these three wires are very simple. This is a DRL running light. This is your turn signal light. This is your ground. Wire. Oh snap, that looks sick. That looks so sick right now. Running light. Jeez Louise, I love this. This size is so wicked. Man, like in person, it's just so crazy looking. It's crisp, it's white. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful right now. Ooh, that is menacing. That is so menacing. Like, it just outshines everything. Like, I can't even see anything else. This is dope, dude. Dremel is clean. Put this in here. Boom. If we just zoom in. Perfect. And boom. But yeah, bada bing, bada boom. I already showed you guys how to seal it up. Alright, so if you guys are curious as to how I set this up, very simple. I pretty much use the amber wire goes to the red cable. The black cable goes to the black cable. And then the white cable, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it goes to the green. Right there. That's pretty much how it is. I zip tied it up here. Solid. It works. No tension. When the turn signal goes on, these two will go on. Parking light is on. The halo will go on. So that's your regular running lights, and that's your turn signal. Okay, bubble wrapped. Get you shipped out somewhere I have no idea. Thanks for watching my quick tutorial. Hit me up on GencoupeDiy for some custom headlights. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.